Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you a couple of games on the GOM U7, this super budget smartphone for £70 from Banggood. And I'm going to start off with Asphalt 9. I'm going straight in with high quality video settings. I did play on this the other day with high quality video settings, and on the whole it performed pretty well, but I think it would get a lot smoother gameplay when you choose the default setting. So let's have a game. Okay, let's go. Like I said before, on the whole, let me turn it down the brightness a little bit. Resume. This is in high quality settings, and you can see at the moment it's handling it quite well. And there might be the odd occasion where you'll see a couple of little blips or skipped frames. Just remember the price point though, guys. It's only £70. Ah, sweet. Getting decent performance at the moment. Come on. I've got to win this one. Oh, definitely going to do this one. Go on, get him, get him, get him, get him. Boom, done it. As you can see, guys, that was some good gameplay there. Nice and smooth. Okay, now I'm going to change from high quality to default settings. That's what you get on this, default or high quality. Go to default. Okay, second and final race. Again, this is in default mode, so the visual quality might not look as good, but it should certainly be better performance. Not like the previous game wasn't bad at all in terms of performance, it was really good. But if the phone is struggling on a certain day, you can whack it in default mode. Cool, there we go. Smashed it. That's Asphalt 9. Let's try PUBG. That's where it's at. Okay, so as expected, it's put it into low mode, and that's what we're going to start with. I'm not going to use any triggers today. I'm just going to use normal. So my aim is going to be there. Shoot. See how I get on with that. Okay, so we're here at the moment. Let's have a look. Quick look at how responsive it is just quickly here. This is on the low settings. I mean, graphically, still looks alright, doesn't it? Still looks decent. Run in there. Jump in, yeah. Okay. Someone wants to jump with me. Go on then. No, I just want to jump on my own. So the graphical detail there, that's nice. No, sorry mate. Let's really jump there. Go. Let's see how smooth this is. I mean, that's looking alright, isn't it? For me, doesn't look too bad at all. A phone at this price point. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Right. I'm not going to use any triggers today, like I said. Right, I'm just going to land near any planes. Right. Okay, there you go. That wasn't too bad. So, first, let's get some weapons. There's a little bit glitchy there. Hopefully it doesn't affect too much of the gameplay. Could well be my internet connection as well. The Wi-Fi is pretty rubbish here. I can hear gunshots already. Hats. No. I'm a goner, mate. I'm a goner. I need a gun. I need a gun. Come on, quick. Yes. There we go. So, I normally use triggers. Let's see how I get on here without no triggers. So, oh crap. I'm a goner nearly. Where's he gone? Ha! Bang, bang. Quick, what's he got? I need a first aid, I think. Need a bandage of some sort. What's that? Painkiller? That's not going to do it, is it? Painkiller, let's take that. Oh, can I use 75%? Okay, cool. So, let's go. It's right near me. Where are they? I'm a dead man. An absolute dead man if I don't. Are they inside there? Oh, there. No, God's sake. Okay, so I'm going in again for the final time. And I'm going to jump. Boom. Aim for that little group of buildings around there. Oh no, it's released already. An idiot. Right, I'm about there. Gunshots already. Let's see how we get on now. Quick, let's get some guns. Nothing in there. Don't think that's fair, is it? Any weapons or guns or anything like that? Wow, pistol. Jeez. There's someone about, isn't there? Yeah. I can see him. I think through the little hole. ain't going to get him there, am I? Knocked him. And that'll do. Right, let's get some proper weapons. Here we go. Sorted. Let's get rid of that pistol. Cool. Who's that? No, what a shit gun. Oh, God's sake. Oh, God's sake. That was so crap. That was, although I beat him, I shouldn't have beat him. Absolute crap. Let's apply a bandage. And another bandage. Okay. Yeah, I should never have won that. Where are we? Let's have a look. Right, let's just keep running. So gameplay has been pretty smooth on this the second time around. The slight little glitch. It's not hampered me in any way when trying to defeat enemies, which is good. Ooh. Oh, headshot. Brilliant. I think there might be someone else around as well. There was a slight little glitch after that headshot. He was looking over here, wasn't he? Oh, 15% battery left. Let's go running. Okay, time has now run out, guys. I've got to go. But that was the gaming test on the GOM U7. Asphalt 9 on both settings, high quality and default settings, performed rather well. And PUBG, this huge game. On both games, there was a slight little bit of glitchiness here and there, but I still managed to get a few kills, and it didn't really disrupt my gameplay in terms of killing the enemies. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If any questions, please comment down below. Links are in the description below as well for this £70 budget smartphone. Until then, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.